What's up, everybody? It's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I have a Ducati. It's a 2014 Ducati 899 Panigale. This is a nice machine. We just got this thing in, and we're going to walk around it, get up close and personal so you can see what's going on with this. This thing has like 300 miles on it. So it is a nice low mileage Ducati, and we're going to get into it. So starting here with the rear tire. Rear tire's got a ton of tread left on it. Definitely good to go for any kind of inspection or anything like that. A lot of miles left on this thing. It is chain driven, so there's your chain and your rear sprocket. See that red rear wheel? Looking nice in there, nice contrast. Jump up here, we got the undertail mount. We got the license plate mount here, your 2 turn signals, and then your tail lights are in there, under there. As you can see, it's got the air draft there. It's a nice look, it's a nice machine. It is like a pearl white, which is really, really nice color, especially against the red. It really pops out well. So there's that. All the paint there is good. Got your passenger peg. There's your swing arm. We down here, look at the rear brake. There you can see that wheel a little bit. Really like that red wheel. Got your rider peg, got your rear brake. All that stuff's good to go. There are a couple marks that I want to point out on this bike, especially with it being a Ducati, being the Panigale, and having like no miles on it. It does have these little scratches here. You can see that. I'm gonna get out of the shadow. So that's what they are. No marks on the plastics though. The plastics are looking really good. Here in the tank, got one little like brown spot right there, so that busts right out, and another little spot right there. Just want to point that out. That shows up on the white. There's your Ducati on the side of the tank. The side of the plastics are looking good. There's your 899 Panigale. There you go. All this stuff is looking good. There's that. Try to get as much detail as I can. There's that. Of course, this has the red front wheel matching the black wheel. Again, really pops out nice against the white. Even got the black front fender there. Up here on top of the mirror. Got your turn signal in here in the mirrors. That's a good look. Really streamlines everything. The front upper fairing is looking good. You should have your headlights in here. See a little bit of the forks there. They're in really nice shape. Got your front brake there, looking good. There's your front fender. That looks really good. Jump up here on the top on the other side. There's some little dirt marks there that came right off my fingernail. Just want to make sure. Again, you got your turn signal up here in the mirror. There's all that. Got the Ducati right above the headlight. There's the headlight on that side. There's your forks on that side. Again, we already saw the front brake, red front wheel. I like the black front fender. I think there's a good contrast against the white. And then you throw the red in there, it really brings the whole bike together color-wise. You got your front tires, got tons of tread left on it. Got the factory tires on it with maybe 300 miles. What else would it be? Spinning it around. There you go, you see your 899 Panigale. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. Every time I say something wrong, I get killed in the comments. So you got your Ducati on the side of the tank. All this is looking good. Trying to get as much as I can. So there is a slight little offset right here in the plastics. I'm pretty sure it pops back in, but I was not going to force it and make something worse. So there's that. There is the exhaust coming out this side. Come up here, you got your rider peg, got your shifter. You have that suspension there. Can't really see any motor on this machine, which is kind of cool. It gives it a good clean look, but I can't really show you anything. There you can see the chain coming back. There's the swing arm. All this coming back to the rear sprocket. There's that red wheel. Again, I've talked about it. I like it a lot. Of course, don't forget about your passenger peg on this side. Up here, you got the Ducati there. Here's your passenger seat. Not a lot of cushion on that passenger seat. Not even tons of cushion on the rider seat, but both are in nice shape. Coming up over the tank. Got your fuel cap here. You have your your clutch and all your controls, throttle, brake, all that. Just turn this thing on. You see it coming on. I'm gonna zoom in there. Get the 308 miles. So 300 miles in this bad boy. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're really interested in this machine, make sure you check out the test drive of this bike on YouTube. Let's fire this thing up. There is that. Let's make sure that these signals work. Here in the front, of course, you have it up in the mirror. Same thing on this side. Come back in the back. There's that one, and there is that one. All right, guys. Like I said, this is a 2014 Ducati 899 Panigale. It's got 300 miles on it. Do not miss out on this thing. Check out the test drive video on YouTube and check out the bike at srkcycles.com. Thanks so much for watching.